Let's have a look. There's the gas man up here. There's a truck. No, that's a window cleaner. Oh, sounds a bit windy today. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Jim Diesel, and I feel like I'm having a bit of deja vu. I'm having to head back home again to meet the gas man. Oh, so rescheduled. Touch wood. Take 2. It's going to turn up this time. Which just means I've got to hang around now. I'll probably be editing this video at home. So, I don't know if you've seen the other episode with go-karting. We went go-karting with 4K1, which was, yeah, it was a good laugh. We had a good time. Good bit of morale. Oh, crap at go-karting though. Jesus. Yeah, so he says he's going to turn up in the PM. It's now 12 o'clock now. I just hope I don't miss him. And then we have to go through that whole rigmarole again of rescheduling. So oh, it is windy. I stopped off at the my local Shell garage yesterday for a fuel stop, and I've got a few words of wisdom that I'm going to play now. Well, play in a minute from my Shell garage man who watches my videos, and he had these words to say. So let's cut to him now and see what he has to say for Jim Diesel.
Nice video.
Yeah, I've got to try and. Once you get in here,
notice everywhere you are showing your anger only.
I know, I've got to calm down. I know.
You are showing your anger only.
Yeah.
In the very nice word only.
I know, I've got to cut down.
People, they don't like to see that one.
That's what I'm trying to cut down.
Like a fun video.
A fun one, yeah.
Talking. People love it. People
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah, no swear. That's what I've got to stop the swearing.
Just making video like you have always class.
Yeah.
You're fighting with the people.
Yeah, not good.
Happy with anyone.
No.
That's not. Yeah.
This is a fun one.
Nice with everyone and make
Yeah, I like that. I will take that on board. That.
Everyone like it.
Yeah.
You can make a viral.
Yeah.
But this kind of class issues, majority of the people that
Yeah.
like it.
I'll put this on the video. Yeah, can you see there? He had some good words there for me to say, didn't he? Cut down on the swearing, which is what I've been saying all along, and I need to cut down on the swears a little bit. I don't know what he's on about though when he's saying about not happy. I thought I was happy, but obviously I need to be a bit more. Must be coming across as a bit miserable. So, but hey, still good feedback. It's the only feedback I've had so far, anyway. Let's get past these. So as you can see, I've swapped out the silver visor, got the black visor on. It's quite interesting actually, it's a bit interesting if you're into that type of thing. It's more blue than black actually, to be honest, when you're looking through it. But I think I've still kept my silver one, obviously. I mean, it ain't that badly wrecked, but I'll save that for more of a winter. I think we'll switch back to that one, because this one is a bit, yeah, if it has to be really bright for it to be able to see out of it properly. So yeah, we'll keep the silver one. Well, I was going to throw it away anyway, and yeah, quite like the look of this. It's quite smart. Makes me feel like I've got a new helmet all over again. I think it's time also to give my chain another clean, I reckon. Give it another chain and another lube. I think I won't use wax this time though. I put chain wax on it last time, and to be honest, I'm not quite sold on it. I've been looking online and watching YouTube, and Like a lot of racing teams and that use gear oil. Throw that on the chain. Cons of that is obviously when it comes to flinging it off, it throws it all over your back wheel, makes your back wheel dirty. It's not very clingy. But even in the manual though, even for the manual for this bike, it says use gear oil, which is let's get past this dude. Yeah, it says use gear oil, so I don't know. There's a lot of people that argue for the pros and cons for it, but one guy did a back-to-back test and he come out, I think he was in the top 3. And the reason the racing teams use it is because obviously they're only doing the one race, aren't they? And then everything gets stripped down. So, whereas if you're doing it daily on your bike, you've got your commute, it may or may not be the most ideal thing to use. But hey ho, I might give it a go. I'll tell you who I need to speak to though. It's my mate Dave. That's right. He's the man when it comes to servicing my bike and looking, oh bleeding hell, oh my god, and all that type of stuff. He's the man, so we need to pay him a visit. I'm probably going to pay him a visit tomorrow and ask him, because I'm also looking at swapping out all that. The horse box was following me around. Jesus. Swapping out these grips, swap these grips out. Seen some grips that I might want to do that, because I've got this heater here attached, however that don't work, so that needs getting ripping out. Rip that out, rip these off, and I'm also rip off the clutch lever and brake lever and stick shorties on that one. There's someone on the bike. Yeah, and swap those out. I did on the Aprilia, on the RSV I had, and when you ride it, when you get like just little small adjustable ones afterwards, it was just amazing. Let's get past this geezer. Right, where's he going? You're in the wrong lane, mate. Oh my goodness. Scooter driver! Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm looking at doing, so I need to speak to him. It's quite a straightforward job to do as well, switch those out. And the new grips as well. Might have to put bar ends on as well, not too sure. Because these are quite short. You can see there, look at my hand, look, whole hand feels the grip. Not that I've got any complaints, but anyway, we're English, it'd be rude not to talk about the weather as well, so let's give you an update from Jim Diesel, the weatherman, on the weather. When the sun comes out, it's the 1st of May by the way, when the sun comes out, it's actually quite nice, quite pleasant, it's quite hot and warm. But when these clouds, as you can see up there, cover it, it is quite icy cold. So yeah, a bit of a strange one. Get that out of the way for you. Let's have a look. There's the gas man up here. There's a truck. No, that's a window cleaner. That ain't him. Tell you what, wait here, I'll be back in a minute. Let's go and have a look, see if he's left a let's see if he's left a note through the door, see if he's been already. Anything in the letterbox? Nah. Well, people, if you like the videos, okay, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe. If you want to get notifications once you have subscribed, smash that notification bell, and then every time this call sign uploads a video, you can see it. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out.